guys, ulam for tonight. Ito po, nag-McDo tayo. Ito po ang Angus beef. Wow. Tapos po, yan yung bago nila, McRibs. Beautiful. Mamaya po, titikman natin to. Yan. Ayusin natin. Titikman mamaya. Yan. Ulam for tonight, McDonald's, Angus beef, and McRibs. Beautiful. Yan, family guys. Tikman na po natin ang ating McRibs.
Angus beef.
Ay, Angus beef pala. Wow! Grabe. Tignan niyo yan, oh. Hap. Ang baka. Beautiful. Ulam for tonight. Angus beef, McDonald's. Beautiful. Tingnan natin. McRibs. Wow! Ang lambot! Ulam for tonight. McRibs. Beautiful.